You're getting 500 error. Satya, in your 100 error was you might have given wrong name in the web.xml. Check the package name, check the class name. Check the package name, check the class name. Come on. Server staying problem. Your server might be running outside. Tomcat port number. Click on server tab, change the port number. Satya, check the servlet class name in web.xml also. Check the package name, check the class name. Yeah. How to differentiate logic? In servlet component, if the multiple hyperlinks and submit buttons are generating the request to servlet component. Generating the request to servlet component. Generating the request to servlet component. Class content, advanced Java, NTAJ 414, servlet. Okay. Yeah, what is this? Handling multiple. No, I didn't teach. I teach only multiple hyperlinks. Multiple submit buttons I didn't teach. Handling multiple hyperlinks and submit button request. Yeah, this is my November 8th, 2020. Okay. Yeah, this is my requirement, guys. This is my browser. This is my browser window. This is my browser window. Here is my form.html. Form.html form face. Here is my value 1. Here is my value. Value 1, value 2. Value 1, value 2. Yeah, this is my add button, subtract button, multiply button, okay, division button. Here is my ad. Here is my sub. Here is my money. Here is my division. Yeah. Here, here. Two hyperlinks are there, guys. Here, two hyperlinks. Yeah, when I click on hyperlink, get wish message, get wish message. Here is what? Get wish message. Here is my get wish message, get season name. Get wish message, get season. Okay, boss. Here is my Tomcat web server. Alexa, activate balcony fan. Alexa, activate balcony fan. Yeah. Here is my Tomcat web server, guys. Here is my Tomcat web server. Here is my web application. Here is my web application. Arithmetic. Arithmetic web application. Super, guys. Here is my arithmetic servlet. Arithmetic. Arithmetic servlet, guys. Now listen. 10 here, 20 here. S1. Here is my S1. Here is my S1. Here is my S1. Okay. S1 is equal question mark. S1 is equal to link 1. Question mark. S1 is equal to link 2. S1 is equal to link. Super na boss? Right. Super, guys. Here is my request, guys. Number one. Number two. Number three. Number four. Number five response, guys. Here I would like to get the results. This is my dynamic web page. This is my dynamic web page. Here are my results. In this place, oh my God. Here is my home. Got it, guys? Right, boss. I think you are understanding what I'm trying to say. Give same name to multiple submit button with different captions. And give additional request parameter for hyperlinks with different values. Make sure that the name of additional request parameter given for hyperlink is matching with submit button names. Is matching with submit button names, right, boss? Is definitely matching with submit button names. Very, very comfortable or not, guys? Very, very comfortable or not? Okay, boss. Give same name to multiple submit buttons with different captions. Give same name to multiple submit buttons with different captions. And make sure and give additional request params to hyperlinks. Additional request params to hyperlinks. Additional request params to this. Yeah, give same name to multiple submit button with the different captions, guys, and give additional request parameters to hyperlinks, right, boss? Additional request parameters to hyperlinks. Okay, having same name. Okay, having additional request parameters to hyperlinks, but make sure that come on. Okay, the name of this additional request param. The name of this additional request param must match with the name of submit button caption. The name of submit button caption. Okay, guys. Now listen. In servlet component. What should I do, guys? Read additional request to param value. String s1 value is equal to request dot get parameter of s1. Request dot get parameter of s1. If s1 val equals ignore case. If s1 val equals ignore case, add. You write the logic of addition, boss. You write the logic of addition. Else if what is this? You write the logic of submission. Else if equals ignore case mul. You write the logic of multiplication. Else if division. You write the logic of division. Else if link 1. You write the logic of link 1. Else you write the logic for link. You write the logic for link. Add submit button, guys. Add submit button logic. Add submit button logic. Next. What is this? Submit button logic. Next. Mul submit button logic. Mul submit button logic. Next. Next one is what, guys? Mul submit button logic. Mul submit button logic. This is division submit button logic. Yeah. Link 1 logics, guys. Link 1 logics. Here is my link 2 logics. Link 1 logics and link 2 logics. I hope you got the clarity, guys, how I'm handling the situation. Yeah, see, whenever we give name to submit button, the caption of the submit button will go to server as request parameter value, na boss. So that's why We are reading request parameter value. If add comes, sub comes, mul comes, division comes. We take the value. Okay. You take the value. Similarly, make hyperlinks also sending additional request parameter values. S1 is equal to link 1, S1 is equal to link. Okay, if link 1 comes one logic, link 2 comes one logic. These are very important, boss. This S1, here add, here sub, here mul, here div, here link 1, here link 2 logic, here link 2 logic. Everyone understanding my statement? I think you got the basic idea. See, when you have a requirement, you should have a proper designing to solve it, boss. The proper designing is very, very important, boss. If that proper designing is not there, it's not going to work out. That proper designing is not there, it's not going to work out, guys. Okay. Right. Now let's see, guys. New dynamic web project. New dynamic web project, guys. What's the project name? ARITH, arithmetic application. Working with multiple hyperlinks and submit buttons. Working with multiple hyperlinks and submit buttons. Say next, web.xml finish. .xml and finish, guys. Here is the package. com.nt.servlet. .nt.servlet. Okay. New class. Arithmetic servlet. Superclass. HTTP servlet. Say finish. Superclass is okay. First, let me design this. Okay. Here is my input.html. Here is my input.html. Color colon red. Align center. Where is this? HTML working with multiple submit buttons and hyperlinks. Working with multiple submit buttons and hyperlinks. Yes or no? Na? Super, guys. Tell me. I always remember, guys, for better designing a form page, it's always recommended to take form components as the content of HTML table. as the content of HTML table. Why, sir? If all components and labels are there inside the HTML table, alignment becomes easy now, boss. The alignment becomes very, very easy, right? No. If all form components, it's recommended to take. It is recommended to take all labels and form components. All labels and form components as the content of HTML tables. As the content of HTML tables. HTML tables. Got it, guys? Okay. This makes the alignment process easy. This makes the alignment process easy. Array, listen. I want to move all the form components to the center of the page. To the center of the page. To the center of the page, guys. Then tell me what happens. To the center of the page. To the center of the page. When you in the table, if you align to center, that will happily work out or not? To the table, if you align to center, that will happily work out or not? Okay. Tell me. Form components as the content of this one. You align table, boss, along with all form components will be aligned now. You align table to the left. All components will be aligned to the rest side now, boss. Okay. Otherwise, what happened? I have to move each label, each component separately. It's recommended to take all labels and form components as the content of HTML table label. This makes alignment process easy. Alignment process and styling process easy. Alignment process and the styling process easy. And the styling process easy. And the styling process easy. Understanding my statement? Okay. My battery is dead. I think it's now charging, boss. Don't worry about that. Focus on the class. Form action. Okay. ARITH, arithmetic URL. Arithmetic URL. Method is equal to post. Form action, arithmetic URL, method is equal to post, guys. The post or get, you can take anything, not a problem. Here I will take table. For this table, I am taking BZ color cyan. BZ color cyan. Next. For this table, I am taking BZ color cyan. ALINGN. Align is equal to center. TR opening and closing. TD opening and closing. What is there? What is there, guys? Person name. Not the one. Value 1. Yeah, tell me, guys. I want entire form in the center of the page. Center. In the left side. Align is equal to left. Is there any Is there any need of aligning each label, each form component separately? Each label, each form component separately, guys. There is no such need. There is no such need, right? TD opening, TD closing, boss. Here is what? Input type is equal to text. Name is equal to T1. Name is equal to T1. First one has come. Second one, guys. Here is my value 2. Here is my value 2. Input type is equal to text. Name is equal to T2. Input type is equal to text. Name is equal to T2. Array, somewhere what is missing, guys? Why it is coming like this? Here quote is missed. That's a whole process distant. Value 1, value 2. Here I want to have a submit button space. TR, TR. TD, TD. Input type is equal to submit, value is equal to add. Nice. Input type is equal to submit, value is equal to sub. Value is equal to C. In between some space. NBSP semicolon. NBSP semicolon. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to null. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to div. Understanding my statement? But we should use name, boss. We should use name. Name is equal to S1. Here is what? Name is equal to S1. 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 Are you comfortable, guys? Are you understanding my statement? Submit add S1. Submit sub S1. Submit mul S1. Submit div S1. Everyone got it, guys? Value 1, value 2. Add this S1. Add this one. Oh, okay, boss. Comfortable, guys. Understanding my statement? Yeah, I want two hyperlinks here, boss. I want two hyperlinks here. Yeah, if you want, you can see hyperlink also in the same thing, boss. Border is equal to 0. Take one more table row. TD. TD. Tell me here, what is this? AHREF. ARITH. Arithmetic URL. ARITH. Arithmetic URL. S1 is equal to link 1. Get to wish messages. Get to wish messages. Copy these guys, paste. S1 is equal to link to S1 is equal to link to get to season name. What is that, guys? Get to season name. S1 is equal to link 1, get wish message. S1 is equal to link 2, get to season name. Get to season name. Got it? Cool, cool, cool. Input.html. Input.html. Yes, guys. Let's come to servlet component now. Is it charging, guys? Battery charging? Yeah. Can you tell me how to write this code quickly? Class boss. Tell me. ARITH. Arithmetic servlet. Oh, class is already there. Fine. Open it, boss. You simply open it. Arithmetic servlet. Here is my do get method, guys. Here is my do post method. Public void do get. Public void do post. This is my request. This is my response. This is my request. This is my response. Okay. Do post is calling do get method. Request comma response. Yes. Request comma response. Get to print writer was res dot get writer. Set response content type. Res dot set content type. Text slash HTML. Okay, guys. Text slash HTML. Okay. Read additional request param values. Read additional request param value. String S1 value is equal to request dot get parameter of yes. Request dot get parameter of yes. Request dot get parameter of yes. After that, what next was? Now listen, guys. Total 4 buttons. 4 times reading form data, converting into numeric value is meaningless now. Read one time and use it for multiple times. But the problem is when you click on hyperlink, if you try to read the form component values, you will get the null values. When null are there, if you try to convert them into numeric values, when null values are there, if you are trying to convert them into numeric values, then there is a possibility of getting null pointer exception or not. Then there is a possibility of getting null pointer exception or not. So I should think, okay. I should think about reading form data. I should think about reading form data only when hyperlinks are not clicked, right? Only when hyperlinks are not clicked. Then convert them into numeric values, right? Okay. Now listen carefully. If S1 val if an equals ignore case, S1 val equals ignore case. What is this? Link 1. Okay, we'll make it if not. Not S1 val equals ignore case link 1 and not S1 val equals ignore case link 2. 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 Then tell me what is there. You need to read the format. I'm going to take read text box values and convert them to floating point values. Floating point values be when only when the submit buttons are clicked. Be when the submit buttons are clicked, guys. Only when the submit buttons are clicked. Are you getting my point, guys? Super, guys. Tell me here. Flow to val 1. 0.0f. Val 2. 0.0f. Okay. Value 1 is equal to parse float request dot get parameter of t. Yes. Val 2 parse float request dot get parameter of t. Request dot get parameter of t. This is T1, this is T2. This is T1, this is T2. Value 1 here, value 2. Converted or not converted, boss? Okay, guys. We are converted or not converted? Array end only, na? If request is not coming from link 1. Okay. And link 2. They are converted, boss. Now you play with the story. Differentiate the logic for. No, differentiate the logic. Logic for multiple submit buttons. And the hype. Okay, now tell me, guys, to display season name, to display wish message. For both we need what? Current date and time, right? Get system date and time. Get system date and time. Local date time LDT is equal to local date time dot now. Local date time dot now. Super was. If local date time dot now. Local date time dot now. Okay, guys. If S1 val equals ignore case. S1 val equals ignore case. Tell me. S1 val equals ignore case. Not this one. Addition, add button. Okay. S1 val equals ignore case, this one. pw.println h1 style color colon green text hyphen align center. Okay, center addition plus val1 plus val2 close h1 val1 plus val2. Else if equals ignore case sub equals ignore case sub equals ignore case sub boss. Tell me what is the equal ignore case sub here? How to deal with equals ignore case subtraction? Value minus val1 minus val2. Here is my subtraction. Super guys. Okay. Else if S1 equals ignore case multiplication. Here is my multiplication. Here is my multiplication, guys. Here is my simply multiplication. Val1 into val2. Val1 into val2. Got it, guys? Understanding my statement? Val1 into val2. Super. Else if division, here is my division. Here is my division. Val1 by val2. Okay. Else if equals ignore case link 1 equals ignore case link 1 equals ignore case link 1. Are link 1 is for wish message na boss? Wish message, right? Okay. Get current hour of the day. Get current hour of the day. Into hour is equal to LDT dot get hour. Get hour. Here, what is there, guys? If hour less than 12, okay, hour less than 12 was pw.println color colon green text hyphen align center text hyphen align center. Come on, guys. Okay. Good morning message. I should write what message, guys? Good morning. Else if hour less than 16, good afternoon. Else if hour less than 20. Where is that? Good evening. Else if okay. Else only. You can take one result variable, you can print it. But the advantage of taking this one is we can change the colors. Good night. You can change the colors, boss. Okay. Good morning. Orange color. Early morning. Orange color. Next. Good afternoon. Red color. Evening. Pink color. Okay. Night. Black color. Okay. Gray color. Black is default one, boss. Black is default. Next. Last one, guys. 51. Could you check? 51. Less than 20. Good evening. Right now, boss. Style. Oh, color colon pink. Color colon pink. Else block, boss. Here is my else block, guys. Here is my else block. Int hour is equal to LDT dot get hour. Int hour is equal to LDT dot get hour, guys. Then what is next? What is next, boss? Okay. Get current month. Get current month. Tell me. Into month is equal to, already we have written this logic, right? LDT dot get month value. LDT dot get month value, right? Okay, we have 3 seasons to write, boss. If month less than or equal to, month greater than or equal to 3, next, month less than or equal to 6. Okay. What is this? Summer. Summer season. Array summer season better to have red color navas. Let's write some other condition. Month greater than or equal to 7 and less than or equal to 10. Okay. Where is this? Winter season. Winter season. Month greater next else block. Else block. Tell me next one. Winter season. Lastly, rainy season. Lastly, rainy season. Add home hyperlink. Add array 7 to 10 rainy season. Oh, I think that is right. You are right. Here rainy season. Here remaining is winter season. Add hyperlink. pw.println br. pw.println br. br. Ye href. Okay. Ye href. What is there? Input.html. Okay. Change the rainy color. What color you want? Gray color or blue color? Okay. Winter season, what color, guys? Green color. Yeah, here is input.html, guys. ahref input.html. Home hyperlink this. Home hyperlink this. Lastly, close stream. Here is my pw dot. Here is my pw dot. Arithmetic servlet dot java. What dot java? Arithmetic servlet dot java. Next, web.xml also nice, boss. You need to configure this servlet, right? Okay. Servlet. Okay. Servlet name. Yeah. ARITH arithmetic. Next, servlet class. com.nt dot arithmetic servlet. Next, servlet mapping. Arithmetic. URL pattern. Arithmetic URL. Arithmetic URL. Understanding my statement? Super. Arithmetic URL, guys. Super. Here is my arithmetic servlet, guys. Here is my arithmetic servlet. Arithmetic is matching. Here is my arithmetic URL, guys. Come on. Okay. Right click, run on server. Say next, remove all, finish. Okay. Finish all, say okay. 10. Oh, sorry. 10, 20. Click on add. 30 was. 1020 sub minus 10. 1020 mul 200. 1020 division 0.5. Get to wish message, good evening. Get to season name, winter season. Now we are into inter season. Easy was? Convinced with me? Okay. Now you observe when you click on hyperlink, look at the browser address bar. S1 is equal to link 1. S1 is equal to link 2. Yeah. This internally carries what? Maybe I have not. Request mode is taken as post, guys. In post mode request, form data will not be visible in the browser address bar. So while sending username passwords, come on. Okay. Akshay, you are asking me to explain if condition in the arithmetic servlet. Okay. You are asking me to explain arithmetic condition in this one. Is it the rocket science, guys? If you don't know if and for loops, why are you coming to advanced Java topics, Rababu? Which if condition? This if condition, na? Tell me. If this condition, na? Super, guys. Okay. Do you know this exclamatory symbol is called not symbol? Exclamatory symbol is called not symbol. I want to read form data from text boxes only if I confirm request is coming from submit button. Request is coming from submit button means indirectly request is not coming from hyperlinks. When request is coming from hyperlink, what they carry? Link 1, link 2. So if S1 request parameter is not carrying link 1 and link 2, then only read the form data. Sir, if I click on hyperlink, if I read the form data without this condition, what happens? Very simple, guys. I don't have condition. I'm reading form data and converting into floating point value every time, even I click on hyperlink. When I click on hyperlink, does it carry text box values? No. When you try to read text box value, what you will get? Null. If you try to convert null into float value, what you will get? Number format exception may come. Either null pointer exception or number format exception may come. So what should I do? I should read the form data and I should convert into floating point values only when submit button is clicked. Only when submit button is clicked, right? Only when submit button is. Submit button is clicked means hyperlinks are not clicked. Hyperlinks are not clicked means S1 request parameter should not hold either link 1 or link 2. See guys, this time I am clicking on hyperlink. Still I am trying to read the form data. You will get null pointer exception. If you go to dip bit down, so we are, what is that? Cannot invoke because it is null. It is in null. Null pointer exception is coming or not? Yeah, it looks like not required, but very, very important. Very much required. Yes. It is very much required. Very much required, no doubt. Run on server, guys. Say next, guys. Say finish. Then here 20. You click on hyperlink. Am I getting any number format exception? Null pointer exception in any angle, guys? Not getting. Everyone got the clarity, boss? Yeah. Yeah. Someone, when I started this topic, someone said that you already discussed it, Raman. Other day I discussed only for hyperlinks. Today I am discussing how to differentiate logic for multiple submit buttons and multiple hyperlinks that are giving request to same servlet comp. That are giving request to what? Same servlet comp. Got it, guys? Convinced, my dear? This is my input.html was. This is my input.html. Here is my input.html. Copy this. Here is my input.html. Name T1, name T2. Name T1, name T2. Yes, boss. This is my web.x.